Okay, this is a question that's going off of a previous post that I made about a default. And showing up to your court appearance is very important to show up to your court appearances, because if you don't and it's shown that you have been served, and that means that a petition was delivered to you, and or certified mail, it was sent to you, you signed it, or someone came to your home and delivered and they signed it and sent it back to the courts to show that you did receive that petition, then that means that you were put on notice and now you've been served, and you should follow up with your court dates when you have court dates and appear to your court dates, because if you don't, then they will end up just putting you at a default and probably giving you at a statutory income level for that state. So whatever the state may have in their child support guidelines that say this is what a man or a woman should make is what they can impute your income to. Or let's say the mother has some sort of ideal of how much money you've made in the past, and she can impute your income to that. If you don't show up, then you can't respond to it. So the question was, what if you didn't show up but don't agree with the amount? What can you do? Well, you can modify. You can modify the child support order, because this was a case, or this question is going off of a post we talked about child support. What you can do is modify it, take it to the courts. Here in Tennessee, you'll have to look at the child support guidelines to see what do you have to prove to modify, to be able to modify. And I know if there's a 15% difference of what you actually make versus what is shown, if there's a 15% difference in the child support calculation, then that's a reason to modify. So if you don't agree, you can modify. If it's within the appeal limits, you may be able to appeal. So it's just very important to show up to your court dates once you've served, because then you will be able to defend your case and actually give the correct calculations.